back to Just Gaming. When we left off, we found out that Makoto was a very, very boring little shit, and now we have a bunch of more interesting characters that we were going to learn about.
Oh, yeah.
I hope they all get along very well and nothing bad happens to them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
I have high hopes.
Yeah.
Up to the right, because why not?
I'm Kiyotaka Ishimaru. I believe in bold simplicity.
I'm Kiyotaka Ishimaru. I believe in bold simplicity. Let's work together on our educational crusade.
You look like an angry bird, bro.
Welcome to my ancestors.
So that's Kiyotaka. According to what I saw about him on that thread, he went to a famous private school and won top honors every year. He's basically a flawless honor student.
And angry bird.
He's also known for the work he's done with his community public morals committee. Jesus, why can't I say that word?
Committee?
Look, this cannot become another Prodigy situation.
Committee.
They
I'm
say
thinking
he
something
respects
else.
rules above all else, earning him the title of Ultimate Moral Compass.
Anyway, you can call me Taka. You said your name was Makoto Naegi, right? That's a good name, a strong name. You should thank your parents for giving you such an excellent name.
You hear me?
And to keep that name from losing its value, you must think about yourself every single day!
Got it.
Life is worth putting every ounce of effort into
Okay.
it, right? Right.
This guy is kind of annoying.
How dare you?
Yo, I bet you if we blink. I bet you if he blinks, he'll fly away. Eyebrows.
Not that you'll remember my name anyway, but
I'm Toko.
I'm Toko Fukawa.
Hi.
Yeah, she wrote a novel when she was 10 that got everyone talking and launched her literary career. Then, 2 years ago, she released So Lingers the Ocean, a love story said to be her masterpiece. The book was such a hit with women that fishermen quickly shot to the top of every hottest men poll.
Yo, put him in a calendar.
Despite her age, she's won countless literary prizes and all her books are instant bestsellers. Which is why she's come to be known as the ultimate writing prodigy.
She looks like Yuri from Doki Doki. Kind of.
What else would you call such a young and talented author?
Yuri from Doki Doki, apparently?
Yuri from Doki Doki, I guess. But I figured she'd be a lovey-dovey type. What with her masterpiece being a romance and all.
Do you know nothing about authors? They are tormented souls, Makoto.
What's your problem?
Exactly! Look at me!
It's not polite to stare, you know. Not polite to stare. Stop staring at me like I'm some filthy creature!
Filthy creature? No, I just thought...
I know what you just thought. You just thought you'd never seen such an ugly woman. You just thought it was so funny.
No, that's not what I was thinking at all.
I'm telling you.
Don't bother! Don't bother trying to lie to me! I know it's true, otherwise I know you can't stand looking at me.
Anyway.
Whatever. I don't really care. I'm used to it.
Wow. Talk about an inferiority complex. I was way off about what a successful author would be like.
We know.
Trust me,
maybe
I
I'm
would
not.
know.
Okay, that
I'm
makes
sorry,
sense.
but
I'm not a
I
successful
look
author.
forward to
That's
getting
why
to know
I'm
you.
not such a...
Ah.
Okay.
Ah. Oh, how do you say her name?
Sayaka Maizono.
Hi, I'm Eka Maizono. I'm looking forward to getting to know you. Hi.
I like pop.
The way she moves is positively mesmerizing. and that pleasant scent I can't quite place.
I'm sure we're gonna see a whole lot of you.
Ooh, that sounds
The developers totally haven't gotten tired of your design. Sayaka Maizono.
Yeah.
When I saw her name in that thread online, frankly, I was pretty surprised.
Hell yeah.
She's in a pop group famous all across the country. In fact, she's their lead singer.
I see.
As the ultimate pop sensation, she's in high demand to appear on TV and in magazines everywhere. But actually, that's not the only reason I was so surprised to find out she'd be going to this school. I'm sure she doesn't remember, but... well, never mind. No matter how you slice it, she's really beautiful. Almost like a doll or something.
She is the doll.
Coming soon
And not
to
that
Hasbro,
kind of doll.
Sayaka Maizona dolls. Now for only $49.99.
Come on, you can go
Where's
higher.
that?
You're right. Now for $99.99.
There
Thank
we go.
Here,
With
let's
shipping and
not.
handling.
Oh,
I'm not a doll, you know. I'm alive.
Wrong.
Huh? Did you hear me?
No. I'm psychic.
Huh?
Kidding. I just have a really good intuition.
She's a sharp one.
Hey, Huh? Hey. By any chance?
Now what?
Huh?
Dream. Bat. Dream. Hey.
Yeah. It must be, I'm sure of it.
Is that why you're hitting a JoJo pose?
yeah. I'm hitting the wall, sorry.
Whoa!
Hey! Akona, did...
Just hold on.
James, you guys, how long do you plan to waste our valuable time with this ridiculous back and forth?
Sorry. I just got carried away, I guess.
You hear me?
Self-introductions are for introducing yourself, not bumbling through a bunch of idle chit-chat.
You're right. Sorry. Sorry, Akona. We can talk about this later.
It sounded like Sayaka had... It sounded like Sayaka really had something she wanted to say.
Pretty say like for sure.
But it's not like we'll never see each other again. Like she said, we can talk later.
I wonder why they're pushing
Yo,
that.
the name's Leon Kuwata. What's up?
Yo, name's Leon Kuwata. What's up?
He's so good looking. Ah! I'm sorry.
I recognize that name. He played for the National High School Champs as their cleanup hitter, the ultimate baseball star. And that superb athletic specimen is... you? Seriously?
You look like a slacker.
I like him.
Huh? What's wrong?
I mean, you look like the lead singer to Sum 41, come on! Nothing, I'm just
That's a compliment.
surprised.
That is
I
awesome.
figured with you being the ultimate baseball star and all...
Give me a break. What, were you expecting some kid with a shaved head?
Shaved head?
Shaved head.
No, I was just expecting more of a, sporty-looking traditional baseball player type. I mean, when I found that article and picture of you online, that's how you looked then.
What? Oh man, you found that picture of me playing baseball? Seriously? I hate that picture. What the crap? This is not cool. This is so not cool. Seriously, I'm like mega embarrassed right now. I didn't have a choice, okay? Shaving your head like that is part of national championship regulations.
I mean,
Bullshit,
seriously?
if you ask me. So now I refuse to cut my hair. And I'm not gonna dye it back to normal either.
Hey, listen.
Actually, can I be totally honest with you?
You know,
I don't like baseball. Like, at all. I've never gone to a single practice.
Also, I only said Sum 41 because that was like the first punk band that I could think of off the top of my head.
System of a Down, Panic at the Disco,
That's
Filing
not
in Reverse.
Oh, you just mishmashed a whole bunch of genres.
Listen!
He's never
The name
practiced,
bands.
and he was still his team's star player? He's some kind of prodigy.
yeah.
As soon as I got accepted here, I quit baseball for good. I have my own dream for the future.
A dream? For the future?
I don't know what that is.
My only path in life is getting into music. You can feel that star quality aura I have, right?
You know what I mean.
I'm gonna be a singer, so all I need is a songwriter and someone on guitar, and we're set.
How cool is that?
Play.
This new version of me that's chasing after my dream is like super cool to the max. Yeah.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. I never imagined I'd hear something like that from a baseball all-star. He's talking like he's straight out of the 90s, jeez.
Super tebular, dude.
I am Hifumi Yamada.
I
If you wanna
am
call me by my
Hifumi Yamada.
nickname,
But if you want to call me by my
Alpha and the
nickname,
Omega.
the Alpha and
I
the
don't
Omega, I don't mind.
Mhm.
Hello.
By the way, how much do you know about the world of 2D art?
World of 2D?
Well, in that
You are.
What? Well, in that world, I am well known and supremely well regarded as the ultimate fanfic creator.
Mhm.
I once sold 10,000 copies of one of my fan comics at a school festival. The event has passed into legend. Some of them didn't get it, of course, saying I tainted the event. How stupid can you be?
That's too bad about them. But selling 10,000 copies like that is definitely pretty remarkable.
However,
Words as such idiots mean nothing to me. I am like Van Gogh, utterly unappreciated in my time. I am a soldier, serving night and day to destroy all mindless preconceptions about fanfiction. I'm sure if you were to observe my work, Mr. Naiki, you would comprehend its greatness immediately.
mhm.
For my work is filled with deepest meaning.
What kind of meaning?
Yes,
It's
indeed.
about embracing our basest urges.
I don't think I want to comprehend it. Makoto is an ace king. Okay, now to talk to those 5 people over there.
Uno, dos, tres.
Yo, Jimmy Neutron! I'm sorry.
Hiya, I'm Aoi Hina, but my friends call me Hina. What's up?
Look like an ice cream cone.
Aoi Asahina. She's been breaking records in every competition she's been in since elementary school. She's even been chosen as an upcoming Olympic cadet. She is, without a doubt, the ultimate swimming pro. The combination of her ability, appearance, and, proportions has been widely discussed online.
She had some really big titties.
So, what was your name again? Sorry, totally forgot.
Makoto Naegi.
Oh yeah, I knew it was something like that.
No, not something like that. It is that.
You got it.
Sure, got it. Here, I'll hammer it into my brain right now.
Yeah.
Makoto Naegi.
She just kept repeating my name and moving her finger across her palm like she was writing something.
She wasn't hammering into her head at all. She's a liar.
What are you doing?
Huh? You don't know? If you want to remember someone's name, you gotta write it on your hand 3 times.
Beetlejuice.
No, you can't do this!
I'm sorry.
It's showtime.
I've never heard of that before in my life.
Hey, by the way, how do you spell your last name?
With letters? You spell it exactly like it
Samantha.
sounds.
Well, I have no idea. I'll just figure it out and write it down later.
That's because Naegi is really weird to write in kanji. Ha 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 ha!
Anyway, glad to meet you.
Sure. Same here. Well, one thing I learned is she's totally easygoing and bursting with energy.
But maybe she should.
That's not the only thing that's bursting.
Oh!
Ah, God. My gay awakening, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Chihiro Fujisaki.
Names?
That's you,
Chihiro
Kat.
Fujisaki.
Again?
Chihiro
Chihiro
Okay.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Jiro Fujisaki.
I tried.
Yeah, it's Chihiro.
Hiro Fukusaki. Okay.
Chihiro Fujisaki.
Yeah, Fuji.
Japanese names are hard.
Ugh!
Maybe for you!
Sorry. I get kind of embarrassed whenever I introduce myself like this. Anyway, I hope we can get along.
Same here. Nice to meet you.
Huh?
Huh? Maybe it's just my imagination. But have we met before?
I don't think so. We just met for the first time, which is why I said nice to meet you.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Talk to her slow.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, good point. Sorry.
You don't have to apologize for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chihiro Fujisaki is known for all the cutting-edge programs she's created. She's the ultimate programmer. She's also got that timid little bunny type thing going, which has endeared her to her legions of fans. Legion of fans, not legions. plural.
She has many legions.
Yes.
Yes.
League of Legends.
No.
Hey!
Hey. So, listen,
I'm sorry.
I'm really sorry.
Huh? What are you apologizing for now?
Well, just 'cause you seem upset and you must be mad at me, right?
No, not at all. I was just lost in thought about something.
Huh?
Huh? Lost in thought?
Yeah, it had nothing to do with me being upset or anything.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good. I was afraid you... Oh, I was afraid maybe you didn't like me. I'm glad.
I'm starting to understand why her fans are so into her. Can I ask you your name?
My name is Kyoko Kirigiri.
My name is Kyoko Kirigiri.
Ultimate.
The ultimate. Huh?
The ultimate.
Huh? She's pretty tight-lipped, huh? Oh, but you know, her name didn't appear. Her name didn't show up anywhere in that Hope Week Academy thread.
Stop stalking people.
And I did see that there were students like me.
Could she be a completely average person like me?
Yeah.
Ones who didn't have any real identity or presence.
Damn, really roast her.
Could this girl be one of them?
Is she boring like me? Wait, no, that can't be it. She has colorful hair. I don't have colorful hair. My hair's boring.
She is not dying.
So, what are you doing at this school?
What?
What's that supposed to mean?
No, I just meant getting invited here means you're some kind of ultimate something, right? So, what ultimate something are you?
That doesn't matter.
Why should I tell you?
Huh? Well, I guess you don't have to tell me.
Whew.
No, I don't have to tell you. So I'm not going to.
Nothing about her turned up online, so I was thinking maybe she got picked by chance like me, but her face is like an iron mask. If she doesn't want to tell me anything, there's no point in asking.
She's like an Iron Maiden.
Oh.
Shima. Charmed, I'm sure.
Junko Izu...
Junko Enoshima.
Hiroshima.
Hi, I'm Junko Iyoshima. Charmed, I'm sure.
Jesus Christ.
Anybody would recognize this one. She's got more charm and presence than any high school girl in the country. She's the ultimate fashionista. I've seen her on tons of magazine covers, but I feel like that doesn't quite match up to reality.
There's something off about her, but I can't put my finger on it.
What?
Ale.
Huh?
Come on.
Oh. Are you talking about my cover photos and junk?
No, just a cover photos. I'm not talking about your junk.
Which junk you talking about?
Oh, God, I need to be put on death row.
Yep.
You talking about in the back or in the front, honey?
Well, I mean,
It's
let's just
making
say
me more gay.
there's some
Stop.
Junko has some Junko in her Trunko.
Oh no. Oh no. He's a prisoner. Put him in prison. Oh Jesus.
Of course. Those are totally photoshopped.
Photoshopped?
Yeah, you know, edited to hell and back with like computers and junk.
Oh, so they aren't real.
What can we do?
Come on, don't act so surprised. It's gonna make me all depressed.
Totally.
It's totally normal these days to Photoshop the crap out of their photos. Yeah. And you'd be surprised by that. You'd be totally blown away by a certain dangerous little diva of ours.
I was always confused by that line. I never understood what she was talking about.
I think she's talking about Sayaka.
That would make sense.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Oh. Smart.
They make the eyes and junk super big and tweak the skin so it looks all green.
ceramic.
Ceramic.
Ceramic with porcelain.
We're not doing the
I did it
cream thing
again.
again. No cream.
Cream.
Oh.
Gleam.
A cream making porcelain.
Cream and porcelain.
Cream making porchain.
Yeah.
Cookies
Oh.
and cream, eh?
So many dreams are getting crushed today.
As well as brain cells.
You know what else gonna get crushed?
Name's Mondo Owada.
Corn Godhead!
Meet ya.
Name's Mondo Owada. Nice to fucking meet you.
Ah, our favorite narwhal head.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion.
Because they are so awesome.
Oh, jeez. Mondo Owada, huh? Which means
I'm gonna be dead soon.
he's the current leader of the largest biker gang in Japan. He's earned respect, even awe, from every gang in the country. He's the ultimate biker gang leader.
Still completely unrealistic.
Nice to meet you too.
Yo.
Hell yeah. I'd better be careful around him. One wrong word and I could wake up at the bottom of the sea.
What? Ow!
Those 4 over there are the only ones left.
Oh god, time to put on man.
Sakura Ogami.
Sakura Origami, right?
Sakura.
Sakura Ogami.
Sakura
Why does the
Origami.
voice actor sound like they're Envy from Full Metal Alchemist?
I don't think it's the same voice actor. I'll check it out though. I think that's Michelle Ruff. I'll look it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
Sakura Origami. Yep, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Let's go.
Oh jeez. I almost asked her if she was a guy.
Oh!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
The day I say something like that out loud is the day I get turned into a human meatball.
Meatball.
But now I remember. She competed in a martial arts tournament in America and won, despite being a girl.
Sexist.
She's the ultimate martial artist. She's fought in over 400 matches and never lost a single one. Wow, maybe I'm the ultimate sexist.
Whoa!
Yeah. That thread also said a bit more about her.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some call her Ogre. Some even think she's the closest known relative to the primates, the famed missing link.
I think in the game they call her Oni, which is the...
Yeah, that's what Patrick said last week.
Yes,
I mean,
did say that last time.
not last week because
Yeah.
this is the first time we're doing this. What are you talking about?
I mean, oh shoot! Yeah, what about?
I thought I could sneak that in. Ha 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 ha.
Jessica G. George is, by the way, that's the voice actress for Sakura.
Okay.
Any incoming Hope Peak students who are reading this, let me warn you right now. If you value your life, avoid her at all costs. Standing in front of her now, I don't think they were exaggerating about that.
Hey.
Hey, you.
Huh? Yes? I snapped to attention without even realizing it. Then she started to poke and prod at my body.
Bad touch.
No, no.
I need an adult! I need an adult!
What are you?
I see.
Also, quality and quantity is right around that of an extremely ordinary high school student.
Oh!
You
Burn!
the wound.
Yeah. But, but it's shame. You're not at all fit to act as my trading partner.
I'm not sure that's such a shame for me.
Right.
Yes!
Amen.
Name's Bianca Yotogami. Hi, nice to meet you. That's the most half-assed introduction I've ever heard. But there isn't really anything I can do about it. Even among the ultimate students, this one is special. Byakuya Togami. He's the heir apparent of his family's massive financial conglomerate.
He's rich as fuck!
Andrew Tate.
No, don't compare Togami to Andrew Tate. How dare you?
Oh, Lord. I'm sorry.
He's already started managing business operations, and his own personal assets are, well, vast.
He isn't anything like Adrian. He doesn't have the same voice actor. I do.
His title of Ultimate Affluent Progeny is completely accurate. He's the definition of exceptional. That's everything I learned about him from that Hope Peak Academy thread online.
Come on.
We're done with introductions, right? How much longer are you going to stand there? Go away. I'm sick of looking at you.
The ultimate prick.
His aura says to me, you and I will never stand on the same level. Like a king in training.
He's the ultimate asshole.
Yes.
That's why I called him a
But
prick.
I love him unconditionally.
Hero for short.
Dickhead.
Take it easy, yeah? I know I will.
Danny!
I'm Yasuhiro Hakakure. Hero for short. Take it easy, yeah? I know I will.
It's literally Danny from Game Grumps. Don't even say it.
It is.
Yeah.
Yasuhiro Hagakure, known as Supernova in the psychic community, the trend-setting ultimate clairvoyant. Honestly, I don't really get all that fortune-telling stuff. It's pretty much beyond me. Still, I can't help wondering if there's any truth to it.
Could it be?
Okay, I give up.
Huh? What happened?
For serious.
I saw it. I looked right at it. Seriously, I totally saw it.
Saw what?
Guardian angel with a crazy perm chasing after Bigfoot running off with a skyfish in its mouth. That guardian angel is your guardian angel.
What the hell are you smoking, dude?
What the hell you talking about, boy?
Whatever he's smoking, I want a piece of that.
It looks like he does smoke.
Nah,
What?
I'm just kidding.
Reggie!
Reggie! We should have some brewskis sometime and get real deep into Lemuria and its civilization, you know?
Yeah, that's right.
What? We're not allowed to. Yeah, we're not allowed to drink. We're in high school.
Okay, fine. Let's crack it. Let's smoke a couple joints.
You know?
Now you're speaking my language.
Hell yeah!
Oh, I'm actually 21. I've been held back a few times, see? And, well, it's a long story.
I don't think so.
A few times? Yeah, I bet that is a long story.
Look, math is hard, okay?
I do not think we have been introduced.
I
am
do not think we have been introduced. I am Celestia Lutenberg.
Hello.
I have drills on my head.
Celestia Luden. Huh?
Ludenberg. It is my name. But if you don't mind, I prefer you call me Celeste. Or Celesti.
Not Celesti! Not again!
It's just the bestie. Celeste bestie.
You are Japanese, right?
Huh?
Of course. What do you ask?
If you don't mind, could you tell me your real name?
Wow, not only am I the ultimate sexist, I'm also the ultimate racist.
No! Even worse.
I don't know what you're talking about. Celestia Ludenberg is my real name. But as I mentioned, I would rather you call me Celeste.
She's polite, but pretty forceful at the same time. I don't think she wants to say any more about it. I guess the rumors in that thread were right about her. The self-styled Celestia Ludenberg. She's the ultimate gambler who's never lost a bet. Other than her obvious love of gothic Lolita clothes, everything about her is wrapped in a veil of lies.
That sounds like a good song.
Yeah, I know,
Veil of
right?
Lies.
Jeez. They say she entered and won an underground gambling tournament, earning the title Queen of Liars. That's also a really good song title name.
Jesus.
That is.
Right.
She totally cleaned out the other players, taking their life savings and laughing as she did it.
I look forward to getting to know you better.
Hot topic, wet dream. Talk about it.
Yeah,
That's a nice subtitle.
that smile is beyond deceptive. I'd better watch myself around her.
Tale of lies.
And with that, all the introductions are done.
Alright, next time on Just Gaming, we will figure out what's going behind this. Something tells me it has something to do with a bear, but I don't know. What am I talking about? I have no idea. Until then...
I barely have a clue!
Until then...
No one really knows.
Bye-bye, just know if you don't hear from me again, I've been executed.
Auf Wiedersehen!
Goodbye.
I can barely wait!